In this video, Sammy's going to show you how you can replace the engine's air filter on a 2015 Ram 1500.
So this is how you change the air filter on a 2015 Ram 1500 with the V6. So what you're going to do is if you come over here, you'll see there's these little clips here. There's about 4 of them. So you're just going to pop them off just like that. And now that that's done, you can lift this up and it just pops right out. So just peel it out like that. Then it's always a good idea to go in here, just kind of like wipe it down from dust, take leaves out, you know, make sure there's nothing clogged up in this part of the intake. And then when you're installing it, you're just going to slide it back in. Ow. Get it down the right way. And then you're just going to go down with these, hook them around the clips, where you can put these clips on. Just like that. That's how you change your air filter.